Hi, Grace Mosgeller here. I wanted to start this mini series off by really reminding you the importance of really getting to know your energy system and working to align with it. And so, in this mini series, we're going to be talking about some pretty invisible things like your chakra system, your spiritual center, your life purpose line. We're going to talk about crystal bowl healings and meditation and the power of really going inside and connecting with yourself. And why do we do that? Well, we do that because, you've heard this phrase in the religious sector, right? Seek ye first the kingdom of God. And the kingdom of God can be found within. It is our relationship with ourself and with the divine that truly creates magic in this world, that truly creates your own personal view of heaven on earth. And big picture, when you create heaven on earth for yourself, the ripple effect affects other people. It gives them permission to lean back, smell the roses, really connect with life, feel the joy, feel the pleasure, and experience fulfillment, satisfaction, true wealth, and abundance. And the more we do that, the more it spreads through our planet, and one by one we can help shift humanity into a higher level of coexistence. And that's why I'm doing this. Plus it feels good, right? It's like going inside and connecting with yourself and feeling love, instead of chasing, doing, giving without receiving. That's a night and day experience that everybody should be. We've done enough of the survival. Now we're going into the thrive. I talk a lot about that in my book, The Freedom to Flourish, that I wrote as well. So, benefits. Relationships get better. You start being kinder to yourself, so you start doing what you know you should, and you stop doing what you know you shouldn't. Self-respect, self-esteem, belief in yourself skyrockets. And when that happens, you become more effective, more impactful in your world. Whether if you have a business, whether it's with your customers or with your clients, or if it's at home, the relationship with your loved ones, romance partners, children, parents, friends, family, any kind of tribe that you're in, is really going to shift and evolve and grow in ways that support you and support them. It's coexistence that works together. And that's the whole outcome of really working your energy centers, of really getting to know who you are at the soul level. And is it all just invisible magic? Some of it is, but the work, when you talk about the work is what you do inside, is what you choose to believe, how you choose to act. When you go inside and you do this quote, deep dive personal transformation work along with energy healing, the shifts from, fear, doubt, stress, anger, shame, blame, guilt, depression. That's what we're moving away from. And the shift, what we move away from that into connection, cooperation, abundance. Abundance in things, financial things, physical things, people things, relationship things, and abundance in the feelings of joy, happiness, connection, intimacy, and the true bonds that bind us, so that the people around us, we have each other's back. We have enough so we're not fighting each other. We're not doing whatever it takes to, quote, get. So those are the outcomes of really working your energy system. So we're going to start off by talking about the consciousness of the chakra system and give you a few practical exercises that you can do to really open that up and connect and breed awareness and the ability to shift into the higher self side of who you really are.